Down below with the table, I'm not quite satisfied with the position of the table. It looks like these headers just run into this heading right up here. I want to leave some space in here. To do that, here I'll select the table and I can press Control X on my keyboard to cut the table. I can click into this cell and then I can press Control V to paste, and that moves the table. But an even easier way to do that, I could select this table and then I simply click on the boundary, and you'll notice that my mouse icon changes. Using my left mouse button, I can drag this to a new position. Let's place it right here, and that moves it down by 1. I like this extra space here. I think that's good. When I look at the United States and India in this table, we'll see that India sold more cookies than the United States. So it makes sense to put India before the United States in this table as the first column. So here I could select this column. Then I'll once again hover over the boundary of this selection and my mouse cursor once again changes. But instead of pressing the left mouse button, let's press the right mouse button. Here I can now drag that over and then release. Here I get a context menu asking me what I want to do. I can move it here, copy it here, but I don't want to just move or copy because I already have content here. So instead, here I could say Shift right and move. So I want to take the United States and I want to shift it to the right and move that data. Let's click on that, and here now it's placed India in this column and the United States in this column. If I want to make a copy of this table, here I can simply select the entire table, press Control C on my keyboard, and let's click my mouse cursor right here and then press Control V to paste. And there I have a copy of the table. I'll press Control Z to undo. An even easier way to make a copy, simply highlight your data, hover over the edge, and then press your right mouse button. Here, I'll drag it over here. And when I release, I see this context menu, and I want to create a copy. I'll select this option, and that too also makes a copy. Now, of course, I don't want 2 tables on this sheet, so let's press the delete key to remove this second table.